Hi, today in front of me it's Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application. Tap on the right upper corner and click to manage accounts on this device because now we should first log out from Google account on our device and after that we'll automatically log out from Gmail application. So open your account, tap to remove, confirm your action by click to remove account. Are you sure? If you use some protect methods, just enter them. Now we just successfully log out from Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.